I will explain and show you how you can create a playlist just like this. So I have some playlists already here. You can see this trending AI news updates, then there's AI podcast and all that. But I can easily just delete and start from the start. So you just have to open CapCut, open TikTok on your computer, and let's get straight into it. Immediately you open your TikTok on your computer, you first log into your computer. So once you log in, if you scroll to the top, you will see option that says create playlist. So mine is going crazy right now because I just deleted the playlist I have. So I'm just gonna refresh this right now and let's see what happens. So you see the option that says create playlist at the top right corner, right beside your liked collections. So we're just gonna click on create playlist. So we're just gonna give it a name. We're gonna say robots. I'll just create a playlist for robots because my channel is all about tech and all that. So you can now select videos directly, quickly, and I'm just gonna look for what has to do with robots. There's this Tesla car that just came up. I'm just gonna click on it to select it. Then this car has some robotic actions. What else again? Another Tesla car. Then robots, another robots. So I'm just gonna quickly just see I can get some couple of them for you guys to be able to see. So this Chinese boss is a robot. This is also a robotic, and this is also a robotic. So once you select all this together, put them together, you're just gonna have a playlist for people. You're gonna be able to entertain them, just like where we have on Facebook and YouTube. Yeah, you can also create playlists on Instagram. So I'm just gonna select this ones. Okay, we got some number of posts we can add. So once you're done with that, you just come and say create. Once you click on create, so you're gonna have a playlist. So let's try create another one just to make it look more nice, like have good aesthetics. Okay, there's gonna be one where you can have like three or four. So I just create another one. I'll say cars. Say AI. Sorry. Create a playlist. So instead of before I create, I'm just gonna select videos and anything that has to do with AI. So for the ones you've already selected before, it will be blank for you not to select it again. So this is artificial intelligence. Uh, this is all about artificial intelligence also. The post all about artificial intelligence. And this also artificial intelligence. So I'm just gonna randomly select any video that has any video I've posted so far that has to do with artificial intelligence. Okay, this has to do with it. Yes, this has to do with artificial intelligence. Just give me some few seconds. Let me just select some few ones. Okay, I got 7. I'll click on create, and here we go. So I'm just going to refresh this right now. Let's see if we have it. So these are my playlists right now. So you can see I have some playlists already up here. And now this is going to allow people to be able to come and select the kind of videos they want to watch when you are niched. So you can select people can select the videos they want to watch. They don't want to watch everything. You just want to focus on certain things, or you want it to focus on certain things. So once you click on it, it will take them all your videos, and yeah. So you can easily delete them, you can edit them, you can share this playlist separately by clicking on this section and copy link, share it to the WhatsApp, Twitter, and the likes. So I hope this helped. Let me know in the comment section, smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.